Good morning. Today's video would be about top 5 railway stations near Thrissur Central Business District. Westford Junction area in Thrissur is the central business district in Thrissur. Thrissur is a city in India which is 28 kilometers away from Guruvayur, spelled as Guruvayyoor. The Member of Parliament or the MP of Thrissur, spelled as THRISSUR, is Suresh Gopi of the Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP. The closest airport to Thrissur is the Cochin International Airport, which is 51 kilometers away. So let us start the list of the top 5 railway stations near Thrissur CBD, which is Westford Junction. Number 5 on our list is Mulangunnattukavu, spelled as MULANGUNNATHUKAVU. Mulangunnattukavu. Number 4 on our list is Thrissur Pungundam Station, spelled as THRISSUR space PUNKUNNAM. Thrissur Pungundam Station is close to Pungundam Junction and Shobha City Mall. Number 3 on our list is Ollur. Ollur is spelled as OLLUR. Ollur. Number 2 on our list is Amala Nagar. AMALA Nagar. NAGAR. Amala Nagar. Amala Nagar railway station is on the way from Thrissur to Guruvayur. Amala Nagar railway station is also close to the Shobha City Mall. Number 1 on our list is the main railway station of Thrissur. The main railway station of Thrissur comes in the Veliyannur region, spelled as VELIYANNUR. Veliyannur. The main railway station of Thrissur is the only railway station on our list where express trains do make a stop, including the Vande Bharat trains. So let us revise the list again from number 5 to number 1. Number 5 on our list is Mulangunnattukavu. Number 4 on our list is Thrissur Pungundam. Number 3 on our list is Ollur. Number 2 on our list is Amala Nagar. Number 1 on our list is the main railway station of Thrissur. Thank you.